Hey, beautiful people, it's Rickita, and I'm back with another video. So in this video, I want to talk about the biggest mistake I see a lot of people make when they're applying for credit cards and when they're trying to build their credit. So yesterday, I made a video about the Fortiva credit card, and I made this video and I was just showing you guys something that you could get in the mail. But this credit card was not a credit card I recommended because of the fees that they charge. So let me see if I can actually find those fees. So here's their credit card fees. So you're going to have 22.74% to 36% interest rate. And look at the fees down here. The fees, the annual fee is going to be $49 to $175. After that, it's going to be $0 to $49 annually. And then you have a account maintenance fee too. It could be $60 to $159 annually billed at $5 to $12.50 per month after the first year. And if you want an additional card because you want to add somebody as authorized user, that's $19. These fees are just ridiculous. And a lot of people, when they want to get a credit card, they just jump on these credit cards. They're like, well, I just need to get one. I'm just going to go ahead and get it. I just need a credit card to start reporting. Because I'll tell you all, get 4 credit cards, get them added to your credit reports, and you want to see your credit score really shoot up. But not like this. I don't want you guys to get credit cards like this. If you want to pay this high annual fee, and if you can see on that comment, they said that they got $1,000 limit, but they have to pay $170 fee. That is a lot of money. If you're going to pay that type of fee, then I really want you all to look into other credit cards. Like if you're going to pay this fee, you can get a $200 secure credit card with a company like a credit union like Navy Fed. You can get their $200 secure credit card. And when you do that, here's that secure one right here. You put the $200 down. If you make sure you pay your bill on time every month for 6 months, you're going to see that your secure credit card is going to turn into a $2,000 regular credit card, and they're going to upgrade you to this credit card. You guys are going to get the cash rewards credit card in the mail. So after you pay your bills on time for 6 months, with having this secured credit card, then you are going to get an increase. They're going to give your $200 back in 6 months, and they're going to give you this credit card with a $2,000 limit. Now, think about it like this. People don't want to get secure credit cards, but they'll pay a $179 fee for a credit card that's not going to give them an increase. I haven't gotten any credit increases yet, but he 8 months in. Oh, what? No, she is 8 months in, and they haven't got an increase. You would have been, if you would have got that Navy Fed, you'd have been a $2,000 limit, and this $179, you technically would have got that back because it's a secure credit card. They're going to give you your money back that you put down to make it secure. It's a secure credit card. So let me show you, because they said something about the Mercury credit card. It was another credit card that they suggested also. So this is a credit card that they also suggested. I'm going to make a detailed video about this credit card. But when you guys looking at these different credit cards, go ahead and look at the terms of the credit card. So this credit card, they better with their fees. It's going to be $0 to $79. That annual fee, and then that monthly account, how do they say it? Let me make sure I'm saying that correctly. Account maintenance fee, that's ridiculous. I wouldn't get any credit card with account maintenance fee. If you're going to do that, don't forget, go ahead and apply for that Navy Fed credit card. And it's going to really help you out because you're going to have a regular credit card, and you can keep that credit card for a long time and get regular increases as long as you're doing what you need to do. But if you was to go on these credit cards, it's okay. It'll be okay. If you can get a credit card with that $0 annual fee, that will be the best credit card for when you build credit. Now, we also have 2 other credit cards that I really want to tell you all about that you can possibly apply for. And it's the same thing. You put the money down. It's going to be secure credit cards, but you could put that money down, and then you can grow within a company and get more credit cards. So Capital One is a company I always tell everybody to get. See if you can get pre-approved for one of their credit cards, because if you're looking at the other credit cards, it's most likely because your credit score is really low, but Capital One can actually pre-approve you for their credit cards. Now, I suggest if you can get pre-approved for the regular credit cards, go for them. These are my first 2 credit cards, so I definitely suggest other people go ahead and apply for those credit cards. This Quicksilver one, it has 1.5% cash back, but they do have that annual fee. Now, here's their secure credit cards. So let's look at this one because this is their original secure credit card. It's the platinum secure. What I like about this one is you're gonna have a $200 initial limit. So you got to go ahead and put $200 down on your credit card. But if your credit is not that bad, they may tell you you don't have to put the full $200 down. You can just put $49 down or $99 because your credit is just that good, and you're stuck. You still want to have a $200 limit. So I always suggest that people go ahead and apply for this credit card if they can, because look, you'll become automatically considered for higher credit line increases in as little as 6 months. So make sure that you're paying your bills on time. It's just like that Navy Fed, but you guys are going to start with a $200 limit. If you guys were to go to a regular credit card, they're going to give you whatever you put down back, and usually you're going to get like a $500 limit. You're not going to go to like a huge amount like $2,000. But it's still a start, you guys. You may ask for additional increases, and they may grant those increases to you. Now, they also have their Quick Silver Secure credit card. And I like this one because it got the 1.5% cash back. The next credit card I want to show you, they have cash back features. So that's why I really like that company also. So this have the 1.5% cash back on all your purchases. And so I really like that. And you can put your deposit down. I believe they can go up to like $4,000. You can put a large deposit down if you want. And the minimum is $200, but you can apply for this one if you want. I just really like for people when they first come in, just get this one. Like when you come in, just try to get this one. Make it simple. You were going to pay $179 fee. Just get the $200 secure credit card. Because if you plan on putting more money down these secure credit cards, I would actually rather you just put it. Like if you was like, oh, I could put $1,000 down, Rickita. If you really don't have the money to put that money down, and you can't do it to actually 4 different cards or 3 different cards, don't do it. I would rather you spread out all the money you can across all 3 cards I want to show you. Now, the next card I want to talk to you guys about is the Discover Secure credit card. Now, with their secure credit card, like I told you, they have the 2% cash back at gas stations and restaurants. So up to $1,000 in combined purchases each quarter. And then you guys are going to get 1% unlimited cash back on all your other purchases automatically. Now, I like their secure credit card because, again, you have a chance to get the refundable security deposit. And it's going to be refundable because if you pay your bills on time for 7 months, then you're going to get a regular credit card with them also, and they're going to give you your money back. And I really like this company too, because you again can check to see if they can pre-qualify you. And I didn't tell you guys about that for Navy Fed, but they can do that same thing. Navy Federal Credit Union, they can pre-qualify you for that credit card. But if you're thinking about getting these credit cards, don't make the mistake of just getting these cards. Like, I just need to get 4 credit cards. I don't care about the fees. Care about the fees, because I've seen so many people that just get whatever credit cards and like, I just need a credit card at the time. And it's really not worth it. I promise you it's not worth it. It's going to be that credit card that you're going to be asking to get removed from your credit reports. So if you see these type of fees, don't apply for that credit card. Like, do not apply for those credit cards. Do not make those amateur mistakes. If you're going to apply for a credit card like this and you okay with $175 annual fee and $159 maintenance fee, then go ahead and put that same money, that $200, go ahead and put it on your Capital One, put on a Discover, or put it on the Navy Fed secure credit card, because all of these credit cards are going to they're going to go and turn into a regular credit card. It's not going to be security anymore. And they're going to give you that money back. So you're not technically losing any money with doing this. Now, if you have any questions for me, definitely let me know. Hopefully this video was very useful to you all, but it was just on my mind. I'm just like, oh my gosh. I make the videos, but I hope that you guys don't apply for these certain credit cards. I hope I'm warning you about them. But I guess it's not a good warning, I guess. But I'm definitely going to make a video tomorrow about the Mercury credit card. If you all have any questions, definitely let me know. But you guys had that sneak peek to even look at that card, just in case you guys are interested, because you have an option of getting $0 annual fee, which I really do love. But I'll see you guys in the next video. There's so many people out there with debt. so much debt, you guys, that they can't even get a car, they can't get a mortgage, they can't even get a credit card. Like, I mean, a $200 credit card. Some people can't even get a secure credit card. So that's why I created my exclusive credit membership, and it's only $1, you guys. So my exclusive credit membership, you guys will actually get the letters to delete bankruptcies, charge-off, repossessions, any negative account that you have in your credit reports. I have the letter so you guys can get that deleted. But guess what? Just because you guys are a part of my exclusive membership, you can get all those letters. But say if you don't want to do all that work, I have it so that you guys can get free credit repair. So that means I will actually start working to help you remove these accounts from your credit reports. And look right here, look all the results that my clients are getting. So definitely remember, you guys can join my exclusive membership for just $1. And I'll have that link down below. Or you guys can text SCORE 21,000 and you guys will have that link. So I'll see you guys in my exclusive membership.